Okay, nice background, Ashaz. So children, as you can see, there are few links that are pasted in the chat box. There is a syllabus link, payment link, feedback link, all batch details link. In case of queries, you can drop us an email or a WhatsApp message. Then in case you're facing an internet glitch, you can watch this demo live on Facebook by clicking on this particular link. So if you want, you can copy paste these relevant links and keep it with you in some notepad or something so that you can avail these later on if you want. Okay. So now let me quickly tell you about the flow of this session. So first of all, you will get to know your mentor, and she's already here with us, okay? So you'll meet her in a while, and then you'll see a short PPT wherein you will learn a little more deeper about the course that you're about to embark on. And after that, you'll go on a virtual tour of the dashboard of Olympiad Success so that you can learn how to access the reading materials and all, which are available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And after that, if you have a doubt or a query, you can always ask the same in the chat section. We'll be happy to answer. Okay. And after all these things, then the actual demo will begin, for which all of you have been waiting for. Okay. So I hope the flow of this session is clear to you all. If it is, give me a smile. Okay, let me see who is smiling. Come on camera properly. Okay, Afia, Srisha, Kyal, Aradhya, Rishit. Deep Tarka is smiling a little less. So it is less clear? Okay. All right. All right. So now let us begin. So let me tell you, children, we have with us Gunjan ma'am. She's a wonderful mentor, wonderful person to be with, and I'm sure you're going to love her sessions. You know, teaching is her passion, and she loves to interact with kids like you all. So I'll not speak much. I'll request Gunjan ma'am to speak to you directly. All over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Hello everyone, how are you? You can shake your hands to show that yes, you are listening to us. Good, that's great. Okay, so my name is Gunjan Jain. As ma'am already told you, I'll be your mentor for next sessions, and I hope we will enjoy together. It is right now. I think you people have already given level 1 paper with you, and now it's time to do your level 2 paper, right? So I'm thinking that your basics about level 1 are clear. You are familiar with all the chapters that you have read in your maths class. Now only uh, practice is required, or we can say that only thing is required, that how you understand the question, right? I think normal questions that you do in your classes, that is clear to you. Now you need a little bit tricky questions to be clear. So we all will do that tricky questions in these sessions. In the sessions, you will be all unmuted. We will do regular chapter-wise practice in all the classes, and it is required that you already complete the tests that are shared to you, and in that test you have to just ask me the doubts, and if any chapter is not clear to you, then you will ask me in the class only. We will review the chapter once again, and we will do the tricky questions, right? Is it clear? Okay, so from many time, it's been many years. I have been working with you people, um, uh, taught some Olympiad classes, normal classes, CBSE classes, national students, international students. So from 2015, I have been in this area, and I hope you will enjoy with me all the sessions, and you will not hesitate in asking the doubts. Okay, only thing is required that you should not hesitate in asking any kind of question. Okay, everyone, do you have any doubt? Do you need any other question to be clear? In chat you can type, ma'am, I got 43 out of 45 in level 1. Okay, that's great. So it's I think it will be very easy for you to clear level 2 also. Okay. Deep Tarka is saying no. Afia is saying no. Okay, I think everything is clear. We will all discuss something in when the class will go on. 57 out of 60 in level 1. Okay, so you all have cleared level 2? Or some results are still remaining? I didn't. Okay, no problem. I know you are not in that class, Ashas. Okay. Okay, Monica ma'am, you can, okay, remaining. Remaining result is remaining. Okay. Okay, Monica ma'am, you can continue with the presentation.
Thank you so much, Gunjan ma'am. Now, children, I will share my screen for a short PPT. So be careful when you watch that. Just a moment. So I hope my screen is visible to all. So a very warm welcome to each one of you to the demo and interaction program for Class 5 Mathematics Olympiad Level 2, Batch 2. As you are already aware, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. And School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses which really matter at this point of time in your life, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. Here you can get online CBSE Olympiad classes for grades 6 to 10, one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. You can meet our international rank holders for the year 2021-22 on the screen. They are all brilliant kids like you. And there are so many. So classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor, Gunjan ma'am. So you get 4 sessions per week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Timing will be 5 to 6:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So the sessions would include topic-wise, quick revision of chapters and discussion on previous year level 2 questions. You will get access to reading material and practice questions available in the dashboard of Olympiad Success, and also to level 2 mock test for mathematics. Now, how to access those, you will learn very shortly from Pooja ma'am in the virtual tour. So syllabus is available at this particular link, and fees can be paid by clicking on this particular link. Fees for this course is rupees 3,720, and it is going to be a 16-session course. The fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year level 2 questions, and access to Olympiad Success Platform for mathematics. All that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed. Camera needs to be on throughout the session, and headphones for better audio clarity. So in 2020-21, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now, the live classes for this particular batch begins from Tuesday, 9th of January 2024. So I hope the details are clear to you. In case you have a doubt, please ask in the chat section. So, Ashaz, which Olympiad you're talking about, you need to, find out. If there are several organizations which conduct Olympiad exams. So, whichever is your organization, you need to find out. SOF, right? So, what you can do is you can, in case you have a doubt, you can email to SOF. You can go to their website and contact them. Okay, so that you get the clarity. Okay. Others, any doubt? So Aradhya, Kyal, Deep Tarka are saying no. What about others? Afia, Rishit, Bani Shikha, please switch on your camera. So everyone, please switch on your camera. Because if you do not switch on your camera, it creates a communication disconnect. And I would, in fact, ask my tutor ma'am to actually not interact with students who are not putting the camera on. Nice to see you, Vanishika. Okay, right. So no doubt, everyone, everything is as clear as a crystal, is it? So tell me the timings of the classes. Type in the chat section. Oh, yes. After you tell me the timings, yeah, 5 to 6:15. Correct. 5 to 6:15 p.m. is correct. Now, children, it's time to go on a virtual tour with Pooja ma'am. So all over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Good evening, everyone. How are you all? I want to see a smiley on everyone's face. Till the time I'm sharing my screen, show me a thumbs up. Are you all ready for the dashboard tour? Okay, here we go. Hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Okay, so students, what you have to do is, the moment you will type this olympiadsuccess.com, you will get this page on your screen. So here you'll be going to enter your user detail, right? So after filling your details, you'll log in. Make sure that you are filling correct user details, right? You can see that if you fill any of the one credential wrong, you'll not be able to log in and you'll face this problem. All right. See, now I have filled up the correct user details. So my personal detail page is open now. So here you can check your details. Like if all your credentials are okay, then it's fine. Otherwise, if any error you can find out, like your any state, your grade, or anywhere you find that there is an error in your profile, you can just change it and you can just update it over here. All right. So now we'll move on worksheet icon. So after clicking on the worksheet, you have to click it over here. Here you're going to select your subject, right? So for example, you are preparing for mathematics. So you'll click on mathematics and over here you'll click on your first mock test paper. So here you have to read your instructions wherein it will be helpful for you to attempt the worksheet. Okay. So now after this, you'll move on start worksheet. So you'll click on start worksheet icon and then you'll read your question. And for example, whatsoever answer is there, you'll be going to fill it. So if your first question is done, you'll be going to move on next question by clicking on the icon next. So filling up your solving your second question, you'll be going to move on third question. So you'll keep on moving like this till the time your all questions are attempted in your worksheet. Right. So in worksheet, there are 50 questions. So the moment you'll finish your all 50 questions, you'll be going to click it on finish icon. And then make sure that you review all your questions before submitting your worksheet. So yes, I have reviewed all the questions and it's done. Now I'll be going to check my scores. So after this worksheet icon, there is a performance. So over here, you'll be going to click it. Yes, so just now, after performance, you'll be going to click it over here, mathematics. And just now I've solved this worksheet. So I'm going to view my scores. See. So I've attempted 3 questions. Like these are wrong. Clear? So make sure that you are doing practice properly before attempting your mock test papers, right? and then you'll be going to just log out. So this is a practice thing for you kids. So make sure that whenever you're going to attempt this mock test paper, you have practiced this all syllabus properly beforehand. Okay, that your answer should be correct and you should score well in your Olympiad examination. All right. So this dashboard tour is done. If anybody is having any doubt, feel free to put your question in the chat box. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. Nice to know that, Afia. And I'm so sorry you did not get that. Okay. So any doubt, anyone? Any doubt related to your course? Any doubt? No doubt. Right. So shall we go with the demo then? Shall we begin with the demo? Okay. All right. So all over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, students. Now, what chapter do you think that is really tough for you? In which you feel hard to solve? Sometimes it's tricky. No topic. Asha is clear with every topic. That's great. Yes, other students, negative numbers. Negative numbers, you are in 5th class. I don't think, Srisha, negative numbers will come to you in the classes. Okay. Any other? Okay, algebra. Algebra also will not come in level 2. Any other chapter? Interest. Okay. Interest will also not come in your classes. Yes. So I think everyone is clear. Everyone is find easy, power and expert. Okay. Asha is typing all the advanced class chapters here. Okay. Percentage. Okay. Okay. No problem. What about area and perimeter? How you find it? It's easy, it's medium, or it's difficult? Yes, easy. Kyal is saying it's easy. That's good. Okay, Afia is saying medium. Okay, medium. Okay. So today's topic is our area and perimeter only. Trisha, area is difficult for you. It's sometimes tricky. Okay. Because we have taken this topic. Why? Because many questions come from area and perimeter, and sometimes it's very tricky, or some concept is required to properly go through the figure-based questions. Okay. So let's see, we will discuss some of the questions and how you feel that it's easy, difficult, or moderate for you. Let's see how many of you are able to attempt it. Okay. Okay. So the slide is clear to you? Is visible? Slide is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. Okay, so here we start with area and perimeter. Okay, let's start with the first question. You have to give the answer to me only, not to everyone. So please change your settings. In your chat setting, you can see 2 options here. And if it is set to everyone, then you have to change it and you have to send it to Olympiad Success. I think my name is, okay, Gunjan ma'am is visible. So you can send it to me. Okay. Now try to solve it. Then we will discuss how to do it. Okay. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is 40 more than double its breadth by 2 centimeter. Find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Ashas, I got your. Okay. I'm getting your answers. Okay, I got only 3 answers from Asha's. Rishinath, how to send only to you. Okay, in chat option, just go when you are typing here in below, you can see 2, which is set to everyone. From the Dropbox, you can select Gunjan ma'am, which is showing as a blue drag and drop tool. In the bracket, it is given direct message. Okay, you can, see in the chat, my chat, send me the answer I have sent you. On my name, you can just click it so that it will be set to me on direct message. Okay. Ma'am, I didn't understand the question. Okay, no problem, Srisha. Let's discuss this. So what is, tell me the formula when you calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. Send me the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle? Write it on the chat. Yes, Kyal, correct. Asha is correct. To no, Asha, it is not correct. Just check again. Check again and send me the answer. Yes, Trisha. Yes, Trisha, correct. Yes, yes. No, Rishit, it is not correct. So what we define as a perimeter? Perimeter is what? When we have any shape, suppose we are talking about rectangle. So this one is your length, this one is your breadth. Perimeter is what? That defines what is the boundary of any shape. So what is the boundary here? This plus this plus this plus this. So that means if this is length, so this will also be length. If this is breadth, then this will also be breadth. So when we add all the boundaries together, so we have 1L, we have one breadth here. Again, we will have one more length here. And we have one more breadth here, right? And 1L and 1L. How many L's are there? 2L. That means 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay. From both, we can take 2 common. So I can write it as 2 into, from both the terms, I have taken 2 here. From this term, if I take 2, then what is remaining? L. If from this term I can take 2, then what is remaining? 1B. So the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Or you can say length and breadth you add together, and how many times it is? Length plus breadth, 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times length plus breadth is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. Now what it is given to you? It is given to you as 40. Okay, now what is the question? Length of a rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. So write this statement in the mathematical form. How to write it? Let's length be L. Whenever it is given as is, R, M, like that, is, was, then we have to write it as equal to. Is, was, are, all are written as equals to. Okay, so L is more than. That means more than means it will be added. That means length is greater. Double its breadth. So how to write double its breadth? Double its breadth by 2. What by 2? That means plus 2. This is how you write this English statement as mathematical statement. So L is 2B plus 2. Okay, you can check from the options also that which is matching this. Suppose I am taking L here 14. Okay, take the first option. L is 14 and breadth is 6. So in place of B, put 6 here. So 2 into 6 plus 2. Are you getting 14 here? Does your LHS left hand side and RHS are equal? So 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Yes, this is correct. Why I am teaching this? If you are going from the formula, then it will take a lot of time to solve. Okay. And in the level 2, we have to solve it quickly. So you can check from the options. Now, suppose this option is given in the D option and B is given first. So you can start from the first option also. So again, in place of this, you have to check for the second option. Here B is given as 8. So 2 into B plus 2, write B as 8. So 2 into 8 plus 2, that is 16 plus 2 is 18. So here L is 18 here, but here it is given 16. So this option is not correct. Now check for this option, as we have already got our answer, but I'm just showing how to check from the option. So now if I check B is 12, so what will be L? L is 2B plus 2. That means 2 into 12 plus 2. That is 24 plus 2. That is 26. But here it is given 14. So this is also not correct. Is it clear to you? Anyone who is not clear that how to check from the options, please tell me. Otherwise, you know how to solve it from the algebra term. Okay. Ma'am, we can also see that L plus B is 20. Yes, you can do that also. That perimeter is given to you as 40. That is 2 into L plus B is given as 40. So we can divide by 2 both the terms. So that means if 2L plus B is 40, then 1L plus B is 20. Yes. So here you can check that only in one option it is given as 20. But sometimes they can give you the option like 5 and 15. Again, it is given to you as 20, but this is not solving this as this statement. Okay. So you have to clear with that also, that you don't have to see just by adding. It should, sorry, it should also follow this statement also. Okay. Clear this thing? If any option is given like this, then this answer is not correct, but 5 plus 15 is giving you 20. But this is not following this line. Clear? Clear, everyone? Okay, so you have to check all the options. Now, next question. Okay. Two crossroads, each of width 10 meter, cut at right angles. So this gray part is 10 meter. Okay, this is your width. Of length 700 meter, breadth 300 meter, and parallel to its side. Find the area of the roads. You have to find the area of the crossroads. That means gray part you have to find. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park excluding roads, crossroads. Give the answer in hectares. Now I don't know for which options are given to you. Give me the answer for both. In the chat, are you getting the correct answer? Now, if you see, then this is making a rectangle here. And this is also a rectangle. Okay, Afia. Afia, which question you are not able to understand? First question or second? Yes, try to solve it. Then we will discuss how to do second one. Afia, you have to find the area of the gray part. And here in this question, the area of big rectangle is given to you. Length is given to you as 700 meter. This is 700. And this is given to you as 300. This length is given to you as 300. And this is given to you 10 meter. This is also 10 meter. You have to find the area of the gray part. Are you doing, or everyone is not clear how to do? If you are attempting, please write it in the chat. Okay. Give me the answer in the meters. Now, how to convert? Someone is saying how to convert meters into hectares. So your answer is 1 square meter is equal to 0.0001 hectare. 1 square meter is 0.0001 hectare. Okay. Your answer will be coming in meters. So you have to convert it into hectares. Try to find the area of the park excluding the crossroads. So you have to find the big area, that means ABCD, area of rectangle ABCD minus your crossroads. Then your answer will match. By multiplying it, 0. Not 0.01, 0.0001. This one, you will get your answers in hectare. Because 1 hectare is how much? 10,000 square meters. So your answer is coming in square meters. So you have to do multiplying of 0.0001. Should I tell you how to do? Not clear? Now see what we have to do. First, we will try to find area of this part. Okay. Now, can you tell me in this rectangle, what is the length and breadth? So your length is, this much is 700. So length is 700 and breadth is how much? Can you tell me what is the breadth? Breadth is 10 meters. So my area will be L into B. Area will be L into B, that is 700 into 10. That is coming as 7,000 meter square. Clear? Now, what is the area of this part? Now, please tell me what is the area of this part. Now, this thing is 10 and this much is 300, right? So area will be 300 into 10. That is 3,000 square meters. So this is 3,000 square meters and total, if you see here, we are counting this 2 times. We have taken this in the green part also. We have taken this in the red part also. So we have to subtract this part because it is counting 2 times. So what is the area of this part? Can you tell me? This is 10. This is 10. So what is the area of this red part? This is a square. 10 into 10, that is 100. So what is the total area of gray part? Total is, we will take 7,000. We will take 3,000. But we will subtract 1 time 10 into 10, that is 100, because it is counting 2 times here. So 7,000 and 3,000 is 10,000 minus 100. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? 10,000 minus 100. Yes, 9,900. 9,900. So this is your answer in square meters. Okay, 9,900 is the area of the gray part. Now, if you subtract this from the big area, you will get the area of the white part. That means from this whole rectangle, if you subtract gray part, you will get the white part. So what is the area of big rectangle? What is the area of big rectangle? Big rectangle, what is the length and breadth? Big rectangle is 700 into 300. That is coming to you as 21 and 4 times 0. So now subtract this big area minus 9,900. What will you get? 21,000 minus 9,900. How much you get? 21, sorry, not 21, 21 and 4 zeros. Minus 9,900. What is your answer coming in square meters? Yes, 200, 100. Is it coming? 4 times 0 minus 9,900, which is coming to you as 200, 100. Now, this is in square meters. We have to convert it into hectare. So we have to multiply it by 0.0001. So what option will come? Yes, Afia, correct. Which option will come if you multiply and convert it into hectares? Yes, B is the correct answer. Very good. Who is not clear with this question? Please ask this question. This type of question mostly come in the level 2 part. Who is not clear? What we are doing in this question, we are finding the area of big rectangle and then we are subtracting gray part from it so that we will get the area of only white part, right? To find the gray part, we have divided into 2 rectangles. One rectangle is this, one rectangle is this. It is easy, but this part we are counting 2 times. So that's why we have subtracted one part. Or what you can do, you can divide it into 4 rectangles and 1 square. This is 1, 2, 3 rectangles, 4 rectangles, and this is 5 square. You can add all this and then add to get the gray part. So if I say this is 10, this total is 700. So what is remaining? What will be this width? 700 minus 10, that is 690. And you can divide it by 2 times to get this breadth. Okay, you can do like that also. Okay, but it will be very time consuming. Okay, Afia, now is it easy for you? Now is it easy? Is it clear to you, Afia, how we have done? Shall we move to the next question, students? Show me a thumbs up that it is clear to you. We will move on to the next question. Okay. Okay, next question. Yes, Diana bent a plastic wire to form the given figure. The figure is made up of 4 squares and 4 equilateral triangles. Find the length of the wire. What is the property of an equilateral triangle and a square? What is an equilateral triangle? What is an equilateral triangle? Write it in the chat. 3 sides equal. Correct, yeah. All sides are equal in equilateral triangle, and in square, all sides are equal. Both of them have this property that all the sides are equal. Now, how to find the length of one square or one rectangle? That means what we have to do, if this side is x, then this is also x, this is also x. Okay. Now, if we assume that all are equal here, what is, we cannot make it like all are x. Something is y. These all are y. These all are z. Not all x. Okay. All can be different. This can be t. If this is t, then this is t, then this is t. This is also t. All are not equal. Now, how to do this? If this is t, then this is also t, this is also t, this is also t. If we have taken this as z, then this is also z, z, z. Because all are equilateral, triangle, and square. If this is, we have taken this as y, so this will also be y. This is y. Now this is x, this is x, this is x, this is all are x. Okay. You cannot take all the shapes as x, one variable, because all can be different. Now, what is 20 given to you? This total length is 20. That means what? X plus y plus z plus t is 20. How? Because this total line is x, y, z, and t. Okay. This total is given to you as 20. Now you have to find area, what is the length of the wire required. So what you will do? What is the length? Length means only perimeter you have to find. Okay. So perimeter means this plus this plus this plus this plus this. This you have to find all. So how many x are there in this perimeter? How many x are there in this perimeter? 5? No? Okay. See, if I add this 1x plus 2x. Okay, I'm writing here 2x for this. Let me change the sketch pen so that it will be visible to you. So perimeter will be x plus x, 2x. How many y? 1, 2, 3. So I'm adding here 3y. Okay. Now z plus z. How many z? 2z. How many t? 1, 2, 3. So I'm writing 3t here. Now I am adding this also. 1t, 2t. So 2t also. Now, how many z again? 1, 2, 3. So 3z more. How many y below? 2y plus 2y. How many x are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3x. Can you tell me how many x are there? 2x, 3x. How many x? 5x. How many y? 3y, 2y. 3 plus 2, 5y are there. How many z? 2z, 3z, 5z. And how many t? 5t. So we can take 5 common and we can get 5 common x plus y plus z plus t. Do you have this value? What is the value of x plus y plus z plus t? Do you have that? That is here. 20. So 5 into 20 is 100 centimeter. Got it? Is it clear to you? Everyone, make a thumbs up. That is clear. Yes, Afia. D is correct. But every time, please keep in mind that it is not given that all triangles and squares are of same size. So you have to take it one as x, one as y, one as z, and one as t, because it is not given here that all shapes are of same size. That's why we are taking 4 different variables. Clear? Okay, great. Now let's do the next question. Yes, what is the approximate area of this shaded region? Approximate you have to find out. So again, big circle minus square, you will get the gray area. What is the area? What is the formula to find the area of a square? What is the area of a square? Sorry, square, I'm saying circle. What is the area of a circle? What is the formula? Yes, pi into r, Asha's correct. To find the area of a circle is pi r square, pi into r into r. Okay, for this, it is already given that pi you have to take value as 3.14. What is the radius here? This is called your radius. So here radius is not given to you. So what we will do? How to find the radius now? We don't have any radius here. How you are getting it? You can make, do you agree that this is also a radius? Right? If I combine it, it will make like this. It is a straight line from here to here. That means it is a right triangle we have constructed. Right angle triangle. Oh, yes, right angle triangle. So if this is 5, this is 12, then what is this? How to find this? Do you know the Pythagoras theorem? Do you know the Pythagoras theorem? No? Okay, let's understand this, how to find the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that, if you have not learned, then just write it in your copies also, that in Pythagoras theorem, that is for right angle triangle. This always follow on right angle triangle, in which what we do, suppose this is a right angle triangle ABC, okay? And right angle is here. Now, this is called your base. Okay, this is your base. This height is called your perpendicular. And this slant height is known as your hypotenuse. Okay, and there is a relation which is called that if you square the hypotenuse, it is always equal to square of your perpendicular and base of square of your base. Okay, P is for perpendicular, B is for base. Okay, this is your formula. Okay, now to find this H, we know that H square, what is your perpendicular here? Here we have perpendicular as 5 and base is your 12 given. So this is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. Now what is 5 square? 5 square means 5 is multiplied 2 times. That is 5 into 5. What is 12 square? 12 square means 12 into 12. What is this value? 5 square means 25. 12 into 12 is 144. So what is this? 25 plus 144 is what? Yes. That is equals to 169. Sorry. If you do the prime factorization of it, you will get h into h. H square means h into h is 13 into 13. Sorry. That means h is 13 here. Okay. So we get that. And this is your 13. So what is your radius? If total is 13, you have to take half part of it. So what it is? 13 by 2. Radius is 13 by 2. Now find the area. find the area now. Radius is 13 by 2. How much you are getting for area of a circle? Who is not clear with the Pythagoras theorem or up to area of a circle? You can ask me again. Write me on the chat if it is not clear that how we get this as 13 by 2. We get it as 13. Who is not clear that this how we are getting this as 13? Okay, Asha is saying A. Are you getting final answer? Okay, Asha's. So we know that area of a circle is pi r square. That means 3.14. Radius we get as 13 by 2. That is 6.5. 6.5 into 6.5. So what is this coming? This is coming as 132.665, right? This is the area of a circle. But we have to find the gray part. So we have to find area of rectangle also. So what is the area of rectangle? 5 into 12. So what it will be? 75. Now you will subtract 132 to find gray part. What you will do? 132.665 minus 75. Oh, sorry. I have written 75 here. Sorry, my mistake. This is 60 minus 60. 132 minus 60. Okay, what you are getting? It is, you have to give the approximate answer so you can directly select 72. Yes, 72.665. Is it clear? Who is not clear? Kyal clear? Okay, Srisha, is it clear to you? Okay, great. Next. A rectangle with perimeter 264 is divided into 5 congruent rectangles. Find the perimeter of one rectangle. So here you have to find what should be the length and the breadth. You need length and breadth of individual rectangle. How to do it? All small rectangles have same length and same breadth. So you have to take L and B for all small rectangles. We have to do it in the same way that we have done in the square and equilateral triangle. Try to do it. See, you all know what's the formula for finding the area and perimeter of any shape. Now you have to implement it on the main question. Okay, Ashaz, you are saying C. Yes, Rishit, how to do it? Let's take rectangle, one rectangle, length is L and this is B. So what it will be? What it will be? This will also be L. All are equal. This will also be B. What about this part? This will be L or B? Bigger one. We have to take the bigger one as L. So this is L. This is smaller one, so this is B. This is also smaller one. This is B. This is L, and this is B. So if you have given that all rectangles have the perimeter as 264. Now this rectangle, complete rectangle has a perimeter 264. In this big rectangle, how many L, how many B are there? In this big rectangle, how many L and how many B are there? 5 B and 5L and 5B, is it so? I'm seeing here 4L. Which one is remaining? Okay. If you take all them, Hello, are you there, everyone? Okay. Wait, let me share the screen again. Okay. Okay. So here, what they have done, they have given that perimeter. Am I audible? Okay. It is given that perimeter of 5 rectangles. 5 rectangles is given to you as 264. So you have to find area of one rectangle, perimeter of one. So 5 into 2L plus B is given to you as 264. So you have to find for one. So you can divide it by 5 both sides. So 2 into L plus B is 264 by 5. Okay. This way they are getting the answer as 52.8. Okay. Are you getting the same answer? Yes. Banhishika Mandal, what you want to say? Yes, you have raised hand, Banhishika. Do you have any doubt? Wait, let me do one more thing here. See what we can do here. There is some mistake. Okay, wait. Let's this as total L. Okay. And we are taking, we don't know how much it is. So it is complete one single L. Okay. And this is as complete B. Okay. Now, if I'm taking small one as small L and this one is B here. So this will also be B. This will be also L. This will be B. This is L. Here, small one will be B. This will be L. And this will be L and this will be B. Now here you can find that L plus B complete is given to you as capital B. Okay. And 2L. 2L is equals to, here it is given to you as 3B. Okay. Clear? Now 2L is 3B. That means 1L is 3B by 2. And what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is given to you as 264. That means 2 into L plus B is given to you as 264. Or we can say L plus B, small L plus B. Here we can take capital L, okay? We have to take capital L. This is capital L plus B, which is 132 if you divide it by 2. Now you need what? You need the value of what you need to find? You have to find 2L plus B. Okay. You have to finally find the value of 2L plus B. And our capital B is small L plus B. And this is 3B. Capital L is 3B. And small b is L plus B from here. So that is equals to 4B plus L. In place of L, I can write 3B plus 2. I think that is getting very complicated. It's better that you... Okay. Wait, let me clear. Just see here. 5 congruent triangles. Area of perimeter is given to you as P as 264. For 5 rectangles, you have to find the perimeter of one rectangle. So simply you have to divide it by 5. Okay? Clear? Okay. Try to do the next question. Yes. Yes, Banhishika. Okay, this will be the last question because time is already 6:16. If each square has perimeter 8, then the perimeter of the following shape in centimeters. This is easy. Doubt clear. Okay. You have to find the perimeter of full shape. This shape you have to find out. That means perimeter is only outer boundary. You have to find what it will be. This green part you have to find. How many length are there in this? How many sides are there? One square has perimeter 8. One square has perimeter 8. Complete. Okay, Kyal? What is the formula for area for perimeter of a square. Perimeter of square. 4 into side. 4 into side is given to you as 8. So what is one side? So one side will be 8 by 4. That is 2. 2 centimeter. That means each side is 2 centimeter. Now how many 2 are there? Yes, Ashas. No correct answer. How many sides are there? This is 2, this is 2, this is 2. All 2 are there. How many 2 are there? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 sides. So 18 into 2. Okay. 36, correct. 36 is the correct answer. That means no option is there. 36 centimeter. If you're getting your answer as 36, then it is correct. Okay. I think they have missed one square here. Otherwise, answer would have been 40. Okay. So 36, if you are getting your answer as 36, then it is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 36 is correct. Okay, then. Any doubt up to these questions? Any doubt? All clear? Give me a thumbs up if everything is clear. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm ending the meeting. I hope everything is clear to you. Bye. Nice to meet you all. Bye, everyone.